Hello students. Now we are going to discuss about a very important topic called differential equations. Now from this differential equations for the case set examination, definitely you'll get about 3 questions. So what are those? Just let us discuss here. So one question will be related to order and degree. Second question will be related to uh, variable separable method. And third question will be related to integrating factors. Okay. So first of all, let us discuss one by one. Now, let us start up here. So, first of all, let us discuss what is meant by differential equation. So, it is an equation which contains one or more terms, okay, and the derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Okay. Now, so what is the format means? It is dy by dx is equal to f of x. So, for example, we are writing dy by dx is equal to 5x, or we can write dy by dx is equal to some 3x plus 5, like this also we can write down, or it is dy by dx whole square, okay, plus it is 2 into dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. So, like this sort also we can write down. So, these are all the examples of the differential equation. So, in general, differential equation is nothing but the equation which is involving the differential terms. So, dy by dx, okay, not only dy by dx, we can have d square y by dx square also. So, we can have 2x square into it is d square y by dx square, okay. So, it is plus 3 into it is dy by dx which is equal to 0. So, this type of equation is also said to be the differential equation. Okay. So basically, the equation which involves the differential terms is said to be the differential equation. Is it okay, ma? Now, so this is the main definition. Now, what is the order of a differential equation, and what is the degree of a differential equation? Let us know it. Okay. So, okay. So, to know the order of a differential equation, okay. So, to know the order of a differential equation, so let us know its definition first. So, what is given here? The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative. Okay. And for example, so here some examples are given. So, just check it here. dy by dx is 3x plus 2. Okay. Now, just go through here. So, dy by dx is given. Okay. So, it is dy by dx is given. So, dy by dx is equal to 3 into x plus 2 is given. So, this is called first order differential equation. Okay. Now, we can have another equation. Another equation is also given. It is d square y by dx square. Okay. So, plus it is 2 into it is dy by dx is given. No? So, dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Now, tell me here what is this dy by dx called? This dy by dx is called the first order differential equation, and d square y by dx square is said to be the second order differential equation. Now, here if y is any function, if we differentiate this function with respect to x, then we write it as d by dx of this y. D by dx of y itself is written as dy by dx. Got an idea? So it is first differentiation. So I'm differentiating this function y with respect to x. So this is called first differentiation. Okay. Now differentiate second time. If you differentiate this function with respect to x again, so with respect to x, you have to differentiate means we should write d by dx of. Now let us differentiate this one. So d by dx of this first differential form, it is a dy by dx. So what is it called? So d of dy is nothing but a d square y. Okay. By in the denominator, it is a dx square. Okay. It is called second order differentiation. Okay. Now tell me here, this is the first derivative. This is called as a second derivative. If you want to differentiate once again, so it is d by dx of this d square y by dx square. So what it becomes? It becomes d cube y by dx cube. So it is called third order derivative. So what is the order means, this part is called the order. So here d cube y by dx cube is there, no? This is third order. So this 3 is said to be the order here. Here this square, so this power 2 is said to be, this is said to be the order. It is second order. So it is first order. So dy by dx means is d power 1 y by dx power 1. This one is said to be the order. Got it? So in this one, in dy by dx and d square y by dx square, here d square y by dx square is there, no? This 2 is said to be the order. Able to understand now? Now, the order of differential equation is nothing but the order of the highest derivative. So this part is said to be the order of the highest derivative. Okay. Now, so for example, my question is there like this here. It is d cube y by dx cube. Okay. So whole square is there plus d into it is d square y by dx square is there whole to the power 5 is equal to some 1. So like this one differential equation is given. Okay. Now what you have to do is, in this one, you have to check which is the highest derivative. Now tell me d square y by dx square is second derivative and d cube y by dx cube is the third derivative. Which is the highest derivative? This is said to be the highest derivative. In this highest derivative, this part is there, no? This part is said to be the order. So what is the order of this differential equation? Mark? Able to understand? So this is how to find the order of a differential equation. Is it clear? Now, okay. Now let us know what is the meaning of degree. Okay, the degree of a differential equation. So here you should be careful. The degree of differential equation is the highest power of the highest order derivative. It is the highest power of the highest order derivative in the given equation. If the equation can be expressed in terms of a polynomial equation in derivatives. So this is important. If the equation can be expressed as a polynomial equation in derivatives, then only we can have a degree. If it cannot be expressed in terms of a polynomial equation in derivatives, then degree is not defined. So for example, so just go through this here. So see here. So this is one example what I given here. It is a dy by dx. So just go through here. So this is given now dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. And here y triple dash is given. The meaning of y triple dash it is d cube y by dx cube. I'll take this example. So what is that example here? It is d cube y by it is a dx cube. So this y triple dash can be written like this. Whole cube is given. Okay. So plus it is 3 into y double dash means it is d square y by dx square. It is second derivative. Okay, y dash means first derivative. It is plus 6 into dy by dx. Okay, and what is given is equal to 12. So is equal to 12. So this is the given example here. Now he didn't ask the order. He is asking about the degree. The degree of differential equation we have to find out. Okay. Now to find the degree, what is the definition? It is the highest power of the highest order derivative. Now tell me which is the highest order derivative here. So d square y by dx square it is. So this is second order derivative. D cube y by dx cube is there. It is a third order derivative. Which is the highest order derivative? This d cube y by dx cube is there. No? This is said to be the third order derivative. Okay. Now if order is asked, then this becomes the answer. This 3. Okay. Now, tell me if degree is asked, then you should see the power of that derivative. So tell me which is the highest order derivative. This is said to be the highest order derivative. Okay. So for this highest order derivative, what is the power here? 3. So this 3 is called degree. So this 3 is said to be the degree of the differential equation here. Okay. So for example, let us discuss another example. So if my question is like this, it is 3 into, it is a d square y by dx square is given. Okay. Now, whole to the power 5 is given. Plus, it is a 2 into dy by dx is given. Whole to the power 7 is given, which is equal to 0. So, like this one, or else plus 1 is equal to 0. Like this one differential equation is given. Okay. So, just to understand what is order and degree, just I given one example like this here. Now, in this case, what is order as well as what is degree. So what is order? Tell me. What is order? Tell me. The order is nothing but the order of the highest derivative. Now tell me here dy by dx is there. Here d square y by dx square is there. Which is the highest derivative? This part is said to be the highest derivative. Okay. So for that highest derivative, this is said to be the order. Got it? So that order is nothing but 2. Now we have to find the degree of the differential equation. So the degree of the differential equation says that it is the highest power of the highest order derivative. Okay. So tell me here, this is the highest order derivative. For that, what is the power here? 5. So this 5 is said to be the degree. So here, degree of that equation is nothing but 5. Are you able to understand here? Is it clear, ma? Now this is called order and this is said to be the degree. Now don't think that since higher power is there, so since 7 is the highest power, that 7 becomes the degree. So always a degree you have to check for the highest ordered derivative. So what is the highest order derivative here? This part. Okay. Now let us take another example. So if I take an example like this, it is 3x into it is dy by dx is the whole square. Okay. Plus it is 5 into it is dy by dx whole to the power 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. So like this, one differential equation is there. Now for this one, we have to find the order as well as the degree. So what is order? You know clearly, order is nothing but 1 because dy by dx is there. Here also dy by dx is there. So it is first order derivative. It is a first order derivative. Since it is first order is 1. That means it is d power 1y by dx power 1 is there. This is called order. Now the question is degree. Now here also d power 1y by dx power 1 is, this is said to be the order. Now degree is given. So degree is nothing but the highest power of the highest order derivative. Now tell me here, this itself is the highest order derivative, dy by dx. So dy by dx and dy by dx both are the highest order derivatives here, the same. Now tell me for this, what is the power here? The power of the highest order derivative is called degree. So what is the meaning of this degree? So degree can be, now tell me here, what is the power here? 2. What is the power here? 5. Now in the previous case, dy by dx was there, d square by dx was there. Now tell me which power you have to see, the highest order derivative power you have to see. So what is the highest order derivative? D square by dx square. For that only I am saying the power. Now here it is not so. So dy by dx is there here also, dy by dx is there here also. Both are highest derivatives. But if you want to find the degree, you have to see the highest power. What is the highest power here? 5. We should not write 2, we should write 5. Able to understand, ma? So this is how we have to write on the degree. Is it clear, all of you? Yeah. Now, okay. Now let us start up the sums related to order as well as the degree. Okay. Now, just go through here. We have to find the order and degree of a differential equation. Now, before finding the order and differential equation, order of the differential equation and degree of the differential equation, so just to try to understand one concept here. Okay. In the previous case, we have discussed about what is the meaning of order as well as degree. So remember that both order as well as degree should be positive integers. Fractions should not be there. If fractions are there, we cannot say the order and degree of a differential equation. Okay. Now just see this question here. The order and degree of a differential equation is specified. Okay. Now since the order and degree of differential equation is specified, so let us see here. So here 1 plus dy by dx whole power 5 is there. Whole power 1 by 3 is d square y by dx square. Now here dy by dx is there. Here d square y by dx square is there. Is it clear? Now tell me which one is the highest derivative? D square y by dx square. So we can check the order. So what is the order here? So here d power 1y. So tell me here d power 1y by dx power 1 is there. Here d square y by dx square is there. Which is the highest derivative? D square y by dx square. So this is said to be what? The order. Okay. So what is the order? But to find the degree, okay. But to find the degree, we can't say So since here d square y by dx square is there, so see here d square y by dx square means it is d square y by dx square whole to the power 1. That is the meaning. So since this is the highest derivative, for this what is the power 1? That should be the degree. So we think that this is the degree, no, but this is not the degree. Okay. Why? Because first of all you have to express the entire differential equation, okay, where we are having the positive integer powers. Okay. So here 1 plus dy by dx whole power 5 whole power 1 by 3 is there now. So let us try to express this entire differential equation in this format. This fraction 1 by 3 should not be there. So what you do is you cube it on both the sides. So what we get here, it is 1 plus, okay, it is dy by dx. Okay now. So what I am doing is, so just, okay, so it is 1 plus dy by dx is there. Okay. So for this dy by dx, what is given? Whole to the power. Okay. So for this differential equation, so what we can write here is, it is 1 plus is there. It is dy by dx is there. It is 1 plus dy by dx whole to the power 5. Okay. So whole to the power 1 by 3 is given. So whole power 1 by 3 is equal to, it is d square y by dx square is there. Now what I am doing is, you take this 1 by 3 right side. That means I'm cubing on both sides. If 1 by 3 comes the right hand side becomes 3, or cube it on both the sides, we get the same. So it is 1 plus, we are getting dy by dx whole to the power 5. Okay. So is equal to, we get a d square y by dx square. Okay. So whole cube we get. Is it clear? Now this is a differential equation. This differential equation has been converted like this. Now check this differential equation. Is anywhere fraction in the power? No, there is no fraction in the power. So this is a differential equation. Got it? Now we can check the order as well as the degree. Now tell me here, dy by dx is there here. Here d square y by dx square is there. So which is the highest derivative? So d square y by dx square is the highest derivative. So tell me, since this is the highest derivative, this part is there, no? This 2. So this 2 is called as the order. Okay. So what is the order of this differential equation? Mark? And what is degree? I said degree is nothing but the highest power of the highest order derivative. Now tell me here, so dy by dx is there, d square y by dx square is there. Which is the highest order derivative? This is the highest order derivative. For this only you have to see the power. What is the power here? 3. This 3 is called degree. Got it? So what is the degree of this? 3. So order is 2 and degree is 3. Got it now? So like this how you have to check it. Is it clear, ma? So this is one of the question. So all these questions are important and which have come for the examinations of this form. Okay. Now, so just see to the next question. So in the next question, he is asking to find the order and degree of the differential equation. So this is a question given. So y is dp by dx, okay, into x plus it is root of a square p square plus b square, where p is nothing but dy by dx. He says that this p value is nothing but dy by dx. So this p is equal to dy by dx is given now. So you see that one. Okay. So this p is given by dy by dx. Now wherever p is there, let us write dy by dx. Here some roots are there. Root means whole to the power 1 by 2. No? So fraction powers are there. We have to remove. Now first of all, write this equation like this here. So I'm writing like this. So y is equal to. So what is there? It is d by dx. It is d by dx of p is there. In place of p, you write this dy by dx. Okay. And also into x is there. Okay. So it is plus, it is a root of, what is left out? A square into p square. It is a square. P square means it is nothing but dy by dx whole square. Okay. And also plus, what is left out here? B square. Got it? Now, tell me here d by dx of dy by dx. So what it becomes, tell me, y is equal to, so it is d square y by dx square. We can write down like this. Into what is left out? X. I am writing x into d square y by dx square. Plus what is left out here? It is root of, it is a square into it is dy by dx whole square. Plus what is left out here? B square. Got it? Now, here root is there, no? Root should be eliminated. So what we do is we take this the left hand side, it is y minus x into, it is a d square y by dx square. Okay. So let us bring this, the left hand side we get completely in one bracket. It is the root of what is left out? It is a square into it is dy by dx whole square is there plus b square. Now, what you do is square it on both the sides because that root should not be there. That fraction should not be there, no? So if I square it on both the sides, what we get point is y minus it is x into it is a d square y by dx square. So if I square it, whole square we get is equal to if I square it, root gets cancels. We get a square into it is dy by dx whole square is there plus what is left out here? B square. Got it? Now, tell me here, this is the differential equation now. Now, here a minus b whole square form is there. You apply a minus b whole square form, we get a square plus b square means, so it is x square into it is d square y by dx square whole square we get minus 2ab minus 2 into a into b is xy into it is d square y by dx square form is there is equal to what is left out? It is a square into it is the dy by dx whole square is there and also plus what is left out? B square. That's all. So this has been converted in terms of the complete differential equation. Now for this one, we have to calculate what and what? Order and degree. Okay. So to find the order now. So to find the order, what is the idea? Now tell me here, order is nothing but it is the order of the highest derivative. So what is the highest derivative? Dy by dx is there here. Okay. Here d square y by dx square is there. Here d square y by dx square is there. Which is the highest derivative? This is the highest derivative. Okay. So for this one, what is the order? So this 2 is said to be the order. Got it? So order is nothing but 2. Now we have to calculate the degree. So degree, so here also order is 2. This is also the highest derivative. So this is said to be the order. Now you check the degree here. So for the degree, now tell me here for d square y by dx square whole power 1 is there. Here whole power 2 is there. Got it? Now what is the degree of differential equation I said? It is the highest power of the highest order derivative. Now tell me this d square y by dx square is highest order derivative. This is also the highest derivative. But here the power is 1, here the power is 2. So I said the highest power of the highest order derivative is what is the highest power here? 2. So that becomes the degree. So tell me here the order becomes 2, degree becomes 2. Is it clear, ma? So like this how you have to do it. So order is 2 as well as degree is 2. Is it clear? So this is one format here. Okay, now. Now let us come to the next question. Okay. So the next question is so see this question. If m and n are the degree and order of this one. So let us this type of questions occurred more for the examinations. So just try to understand. If m and n are the degree and order of this value. Okay. So m and n are the degree and order of this differential equation. Then what is m plus n? Now just try to understand this carefully. Okay. Now in this one entire thing, y1 is given. So y1 and y2, there are some representations here. Suppose dy by dx is there. The meaning of dy by dx is first order derivative. This dy by dx also can be written as y dash, or this also can be written as y1. The meaning of y1 is first derivative. Okay, like that. So if you differentiate once again, so what is the second derivative? It is d square y by dx square. This also can be written as y double dash. This you know already, or this also can be written as what? Y2. So that is the meaning. Okay. So what is the meaning of y2? It is second derivative. What is the meaning of y1? It is first derivative. So the question becomes like this. So what the question becomes? Question is becoming like, so it is 1 plus. So tell me what is y1 square? Y1 is nothing but dy by dx. Okay. So for this, it is square and whole to the power, what is left out there? 2 by 3 is equal to what is left out? Y2 means it is a d square y by dx square. Is it clear? Now tell me here 2 by 3 is there. So this by 3 should get cancelled. That is a fraction. That fraction should get cancelled. To cancel that one, what we have to do on both the sides? Cube it. So cube it on both the sides. If I cube it on both the sides, what we get? It is 1 plus. It is dy by dx whole square is there. Okay. So whole power 2 by 3 is given. Now tell me this is the original part. So this entire thing you cube it. And right hand side also d square y by dx square, you cube it. Now tell me here this 3 and this 3 anyhow gets cancels. So what is left out now? It is 1 plus. So it is dy by dx whole square is left out. Okay. So for this entire thing, what is left out? Whole square is left out is equal to, it is a d square y by dx square whole cube is left out. Okay. Is it clear? Now just go through for this part now. Now for this one, we have to calculate the order as well as the degree. Now I am not expanding this one. Even though if I expand this one, there is no problem. Why? Because now what is order? Order is the highest, it is the order of the highest derivative. So dy by dx is there. Here d square y by dx square is there. So which one is the highest derivative? This one is the highest derivative. So we can neglect this part. Okay. So I'm not expanding like a plus b whole square. Leave it. Now here d square y by dx square whole cube is there. Now tell me here, what is this two called? Order. So what is order? And what is the degree? So degree always have to check for the highest derivative. This is only the highest derivative. So this power is called degree. So what is degree? Degree is nothing but 3. Is it clear? But in the question, he says that m and n are degree and order. So what is m? M is said to be degree. And what is n? N is said to be order. Okay. So just write down here. So here m is nothing but degree. M is degree and n is nothing but order. So order is n. And degree is nothing but m. So m. So tell me what is m value 3 and what is n value 2. We have to calculate m plus n by m minus n. No? So it is m plus n by m minus n is asked. So what is m value? 3. And what is n value? 2 by, it is 3 minus 2. So what we get by is 5 by 1. So what we get there? 5. So 5 becomes the answer. So this type of models are given in the exams. Okay. So related to order as well as the degree, it is very easy. You have to attempt it. Next. Let us see the next question. Now, like this, some questions are there. So just go through the questions. The order of the differential equation. Here I want to intimate you one thing. Now, there is another way to define the orders. So how to define the order is, suppose uh, if my question is like this. Wait. If my question is like dy by dx is equal to. So if my question is y is equal to, okay, so it is a into cos x. So it is capital A into cos x. Okay. It is plus capital B into sin x. So this is one solution of the differential equation. So this is one solution. Y is equal to means a solution is given for us. We have to find the differential equation for this one. Here A is one constant and B is one constant. I'm indicating A and B in a bracket like this. So these are the arbitrary constants. The meaning of arbitrary constants means they can be any constants. Okay. Now this is one equation given. So for this equation, now let us use one format here. We have to find the differential equation. To find the differential equation, how many constants are there? That many times you differentiate. To find the differential equation, how many constants are there? That many times you try to differentiate. So tell me here, two constants are there. So you have to differentiate how many times? 2 times. Let us do it first. What happens? Let us see. So if you differentiate once, so I'm using an arrow mark, depends I'm differentiating. So what is y differentiation? Y1. Differentiation of y is dy by dx, it is y1. So a is a constant. What is cos x differentiation? Minus sin x, it is minus sin x. Okay. So it is plus b into sin x differentiation is cos x. Okay. Let us differentiate once again. So what is y1? dy by dx. If I differentiate once again, I'm getting the second differentiation, it is y2. And minus a is a constant. Sin x differentiation is cos x. And b into, so it is b into cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Got it? Now what I am doing is, to take minus common, we get a into cos x plus it is b into sin x. Now try to understand. Can we differentiate once again? Means no. So how many constants are there? That many times only you have to differentiate. Okay. After differentiating, now in the differential equation, what we form, remember that this constants should not be there. Okay, that constant should be eliminated. So check it here. So this is the value for what? Y2. So Y2 is this value. So I'm writing Y2 is equal to minus of. Can you tell me what is this A cos x plus B sin x? It is nothing but the question. It is Y. Okay. So in place of this, we can write Y. So Y2 is equal to minus y is there. No. What is Y2 called? It is a d square y by dx square. and tell me it is equal to -y. So this is called the differential equation. Now tell me in this differential equation, are there any constants there? No. Okay. Now, but in this different, this is how to form the differential equation. This leave. So formation of differential equation you are known. Now for this differential equation, what is order and degree? Now tell me order is there. So what is order? Tell me. Order is nothing but 2. Okay. And how to find the degree I said? So tell me here d square y by dx square whole to the power what is there here? 1. So this power 1 is called the degree. Degree is 1. So we are nothing to do with the degree. So first of all, see for the order. So try to understand like this. If two constants are there, if two arbitrary constants are there in a given solution, remember that order is 2. How many constants are there? That becomes the order. Is it okay? Now, here also, he is asking to find the order, but to find the degree, we have to form the differential equation. The question is here to find the order only, no? So, to find the order, what is the other way of doing is it? How many constants are there? That many times you have to differentiate. Now, tell me two constants are there, you are differentiating 2 times. Since you are differentiating 2 times, it is second order differentiation, so order is 2. Got a clarity? Now here also the same thing. Now tell me here the question is given like this, y is equal to. So this question, let us name it like this, y is equal to c1 into. Now e to the power c2 plus x is there. No? Can I write this like e power c2 into e to the power x? Now what I'm doing is, so here since the two constants are there, 2 times we have to differentiate. We have to differentiate 2 times means we are differentiating 2 times means it is second order differentiation. So order is 2. But here C1, C2, C3, C4 are constants. No, don't be in the idea that a C1, C2, C3, C4 are there. No, so C1, C2, C3, C4. So 4 constants are there. So since 4 constants are there, don't think that 4 times you have to differentiate. Okay. So if you differentiate 4 times, it is, we are differentiating 4 times means it is fourth order. So order is 4. So don't think that order is 4. It is wrong. So we have to simplify this one. Now see how to simplify this one. So C1 into e to the power C2 plus x, I'm writing it as C1 into e power C2 plus x, I'm writing it as e power C2 into e power x. Bases are same means we can add the powers. Plus here C3 into e to the power C4 into e to the power x. We can add on like this. Now, tell me here one important property. 3 is one constant, 5 is one constant. Can I say that 3 plus 5, 8 is another constant? Yes. So 3 plus 5, this constant plus constant is another constant. It is only single constant. Like that here, multiplication of these both. So 3 into 5, it is 15. It is another single constant. That's all. Okay. Like that. C1 is one constant. E to the power C2 is a constant. So since C1 is one constant here, e power C2 is another constant. So multiplication of these two constants is another constant. So that constant I can take it as what? K. Okay. So like that I can do it. So that constant we can take it as K. So this constant you name it as K into e power x is there. Plus, now tell me here, this is another constant. So C3 is one constant, C4 is e power C4 is another constant. Multiplication of these both is another constant. Let us name it as P into e to the power x. Still it is not over. So don't think that K and P are two different constants again. So once again you see here, in these both what I can do? I can take e to the power x common. Now, if you take e to the power x common, what is left out? K plus P. Is it clear? Now, K is one constant, P is another constant. So addition of these both is another single constant. So this can be written as e to the power x into some alpha. Is it clear? So what is the entire question has become? The entire question has become y is equal to alpha into e to the power x. Now tell me how many constants are there? Only one constant is there. So since only one constant is there, how many times we have to differentiate? Only one time we have to differentiate. So it is first order. So order is 1. Is it clear, ma? It is clear how to find out. So this is how to find the order of the differential equation. Is it clear? Okay, ma. Next. Now let us see the next question like this format. So just go through the other question. Just a minute. Okay. So just in this other question is not displaying. So just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. So like this, let us consider one more question here. So this question is like this. Okay. So just take this question. So we have to find the order of the differential equation for this one. So we have to find the order. Okay. So for the differential equation, so differential equation is nothing but C1y. So it is C1y. Okay. Now, so it is C1 into y is equal to, it is C3, it is C2 plus C3, it is C2 plus it is C3 into e to the power x plus C4. That is a question given. So for this question, you have to find the order as well as the degree. Okay. So to find the order and degree, the idea. Now, again here, C1y is equal to is given. No. So for this one, again, options are 0, 1, 2, as well as 3. Okay. So suppose four options are there. Now, for this one, we have to find the order as well as, sorry, only the order you have to find out. So to find the order, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, again, four constants are there. So since the four constants are there, don't think that four times you have to differentiate and so on. First of all, you have to simplify. So how to simplify first? So see here, it is C1y is equal to, can I write this like this? It is C2 plus C3 is there. Okay. And e to the power x plus C4, can I write it as e to the power x into e power C4? So this is what we can write down. Now, to take this C1 also the right hand side, we get y is equal to, it is C2 is there plus C3 is there. Okay. And tell me into e to the power C4 is there into e power x is there. If C1 comes here, it becomes by C1. Okay. Now, tell me here, is this completely one constant? Now, C2 is a constant, C3 is a constant, addition of this both is a constant, division of this both is a constant, into e power C4, that constant is another constant. This entire thing is another constant. So we can write this as y is equal to alpha into e to the power x. Got it? So we are getting y is equal to alpha into e power x means, so tell me how many constants are there here? Only one constant is there. So that means how many times you have to differentiate? Only once you have to differentiate. Okay. So since once you are differentiating, it is first order. So order is 1. Is it clear now? So this is how you have to find out. Okay. Now, like this, we find the order as well as the degree. So these are some sums which are important for the KSET examinations. So another one is there. So just make a note of this part. Why is it clear? So this concept you understood now? So suppose after making a change also, if you're getting two different constants, then we have to differentiate how many times? Two times. That is the idea. Okay, ma. Now let us form it like this. The other question is you have to calculate the sum and sum of the degree and so the question is, suppose if this type of question is given, you have to find the sum of degree and order. Okay, so you have to find the sum of the degree and order. Okay, of the differential equation. So differential equation is given like this. It is 1 plus y2 is given. Okay, so whole power y2 square is given. 1 plus y2 square whole to the power 2 by 3 is given. Okay, is equal to, so it is y3 is given. So this is the question. Okay, ma'am. 1 plus y2 square whole power 2 by 3 is equal to y3. So what are these representations? Tell me what is the representation of y2 and what is the representation of this y3? So these representations are the differential forms, the derivatives. So we can write down like this, it is 1 plus. So how to write y2? Y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. Okay. So this you have to square it. And whole to the power, what is left out for? 2 by 3. Okay. Is equal to y3 is there. The meaning of y3 is third derivative. It is d cube y by dx cube. Is it clear? Okay, Nama? Now, what you do is this 2 by 3 is there. So, by 3 means it is a fraction. So, this fraction you have to remove. I said no to remove the fractions. So, remove the fraction. If I remove the fraction, what you have to do? You have to cube it on both the sides. Let us cube it on both the sides. Okay. If I cube it on both the sides, so whole cube is equal to, so here also we get whole cube. Is it clear? Now, this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. So, what is left out? It is 1 plus. It is d square y by dx square. Okay. So it is 1 plus d square y by dx square is there and whole square is there. So this entire thing is the one which is left out. And here it is a d cube y by dx cube is there. Okay. So for this entire thing, what is there? It is whole cube. Is it clear? Now tell me more. So here in this entire differential equation, there are no fractional powers. Only the positive integers are there. Okay. Now tell me the order. So to find the order, what is the idea? To find the order, we have to find the highest derivative. So what is the highest derivative? So d square y by dx square is there and d cube y by dx cube is there, which is the highest order derivative, d cube y by dx cube. So this is said to be the order. So what is the order? 3. And the power of this highest derivative, 3, is said to be the degree. So degree is also 3. So since the question is sum of degree and order, so order is 3, degree is 3. Okay. So sum of order and degree means we have to add up. Okay. So it is order plus degree we have to add. So what is the order you are getting? 3. What is the degree you are getting? 3. So total is 6. That becomes the answer. Is it clear? So this is how to find the order as well as the degree. So these are the sums related to this part. Okay. So one question, I think that you can attempt it. Now the other one related to the basic part. So what type of questions will come is the question related to the variable separable method. Okay. So just listen to this part. PPT is not giving, just a minute. Okay. So just see to this one. Directly you tell me. M and N are the order as well as the degree. So can you tell me the answer directly? So let us do it directly. So what is the thing? So y double dash is there. So here 4 is there. Here y double dash is there. Y triple dash is there. Y triple dash is there. Is it okay? Now, so since by form is there, you have to cross multiply. Now, if I take LCM, so if I take LCM, here by 1 will be there. So here also by 1 will be there. Here by y triple dash is there. So if I take LCM, what will be there? By we get y triple dash. Okay. So what we get there, it is y triple dash into what will be there, it is y double dash whole to the power 5 plus what will be there, it is a 4 times, it is y double dash whole cube. Okay. Plus it is y triple dash whole square is equal to what is left out here, it is sin x. Now just cross multiply. If I cross multiply, the entire thing will be there. So y triple dash is there. Okay. So y triple dash is there, it is y triple dash is there into it is y double dash is there whole to the power 5 plus it is 4 times, it is y double dash whole cube is there plus it is y triple dash whole square is there is equal to what is left out, it is sin x into it is y triple dash is there. Now once just try to check it here. This is the entire thing. Now in this entire thing, y triple dash means it is third derivative. So this is third derivative. Okay. And this is the third derivative here. Got it? Now tell me which one is the highest derivative? This one, y triple dash itself is the highest derivative. So for this highest derivative, we have to calculate the order and degree. So what is the meaning of y triple dash? It is a d cube y by dx cube. So here also, what is the meaning of y triple dash? It is a d cube y by dx cube. But for this one, whole square is there. Here only d cube y by dx cube is there. Okay. That means it is whole power 1. So only this part is there means whole power 1. Now tell me the order. So tell me what is the order of this highest derivative? 3. So 3 itself is said to be order. Order is 3. So m is order. So what is m value? 3. So m is equal to 3. Okay. And degree. So degree means the power. Power can be 1, power is 2, power is 1. Now tell me, I said the degree is nothing but the highest power of the highest order derivative. So these are all the highest order derivatives. So for this, the highest power is nothing but 2. So, but n is nothing but degree. So n is nothing but 2. Is it clear, ma? So this is how to find. So 3 and 2 is the answer. So like this, how you have to work it out. Okay. Now, so see the next one here. Another form is there. In this one, uh, so there is another part. So in this one itself, so which is of different form. So just to try to understand more carefully. Uh, Suppose my question is like this. It is dy by dx plus cos of dy by dx, which is equal to 0. Okay. So dy by dx plus cos of dy by dx is equal to 0. This is one differential equation here. Now, for this type of differential equations, order is defined, but degree is not defined. So what is the order means? It is first order. So dy by dx is there, dy by dx is there. Order is 1 because it is d power 1 by dx power 1. Order is there. Degree will not be defined for this one. What is the definition of the degree of a differential equation? I said it is the highest power of the highest order derivative where the original equation can be expressed in terms of a polynomial equation and derivatives. So polynomial equation and derivatives means that equation should be in the form of dy by dx and dy by dx whole square, d square y by dx cube, d cube y by dx power 4 and so on. Okay. So equation should be in that form. So tell me here, this dy by dx is in cos format. So differential equation should be in which form? It should be in this form. It should be in the form of d square y by dx square. Okay, plus 3 into dy by dx. Okay, plus 1 r plus x, which is equal to 0. So this type of form should be there. So these are differential equations. Now, this is a differential equation in terms of polynomials. That means only dy by dx. That means this is y double dash, y dash. So this type of representation should be there. So this should be there. Seeing the question itself, we'll get a clarity that this is in that polynomial form or not. If you see this question, here y dash is there, but here y dash is not separate. It is in cos form. So inside cos, inside sine, if this type of forms are there, okay, this is not a polynomial equation in derivatives. So for this one, order is defined, degree is not defined. Okay. So for this one, order is defined and degree is not defined. So what is the order for this type of equations? 1. Okay. So for example, I'll give another example like this here. So let us take the equation like this. It is d square y by dx square. Okay. So it is plus 3 into dy by dx plus it is sine of dy by dx. Okay. So able to understand now? So is equal to 3. So this is one differential equation here. So for this differential equation, so order is defined. Now tell me here, d square y by dx square is there, dy by dx is there, dy by dx is there. It is highest derivative. So what is the highest derivative? D square y by dx square. So this is said to be the order. So order is 2. So order for this differential equation is 2. Okay. Now able to understand. So for this, let us find the degree. So whenever to find the degree, so seeing the question itself, we can recognize in the question only y double dash. This is called y double dash, y dash representations only should be there. But here this y dash, so this y dash is inside sign. So this type of format is not a polynomial in derivatives. Okay. So since this is not a polynomial in derivatives, so for this type of functions, degree is not defined. Able to understand, ma? Is it clear? Now, is it okay? Okay, ma. So let us close along with this part. So next class, we can have the sums related to the variable separable method as well as the linear differential equations. Okay.